Hi, my name's Chad Sierer, and today we're going to bring you another McLaren quick tip. Today, we're going to answer a question that we get asked a lot, and that is, how do I change the battery in my McLaren key fob? Well, we're going to show you, and let's get to it. Today, we'll be showing you how to change batteries in the first generation McLaren key that was used from 2012 through 2016, as well as the second generation key being used from 2016 to present. Both key generations use a standard CR2032 battery. This is the first gen key. We're going to start with that. There's a little button here that will release the emergency blade. The emergency blade gets used underneath the car and allows you to access it if the battery is dead. To replace the battery, you simply just give it a little push. You'll hear that click, and the back comes off. Just grab a small little tool. I use a Swiss Army knife. Sticks in here, pops right out, and then you have the battery. As you can see, it is marked on the plus there. So you want to put the plus side down. Very easy. Now, when you put the battery in there, you'll hear that little click. You want to make sure, I've seen this a lot, you want to make sure that this piece, the contact point here, is touching the battery and not loose. This is good. So when you put the battery down, you'll hear a small click. So now we know we're good. Put the casing back on. Slide that, it clicks, and then blade goes in, third click. There you go, you got a working key. Gen 2 keys. We have a 765 LT key here. This is fairly new, so we don't need to replace the battery. Battery should be replaced every year to 2 years just to make sure that they're optimized for proper working conditions. We'll do it on the 570 Spider. As you can see, there's a little divot here on the key back. You want to press that up. You'll hear a click. This removes it. On a Gen 2 key, the blade, the emergency blade, is actually located separate, so you don't need to worry about that. Got my tool. As you'll see, these 2 hours are lined up. That means it's in locking position. We're going to unlock it by just spinning it a quarter of a turn, and there's the battery. Again, plus side to the back. We're going to put a new battery in. Put this back. And then we're going to spin back. Make sure those arrows are lined up. Put the key back on. Snap it into place. There you go. Battery replaced. Gen 2 battery. Again, my name's Chad Sierer, and we thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was informative to you. If you have any questions, let us know, and we just ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as like our social media platforms. I'll see you later.